Hi ma'am, welcome to Telco City. How can we help? Oh sure, yes ma'am, let me assist. Hi ma'am, welcome to Telco City. How can I help you? Go ahead.
Check it out, please proceed.
I'm sorry,
Here, ma'am.
would
Thank
like
you.
to
So, under the name of...
check in. Do you have a reservation? Sure ma'am, can you please provide to me your booking code?
Can you please fill up this form first, ma'am? Thank you. Here's the book. You can stay there.
And can you, is my name Leones?
You have a booking code.
Okay, so
You have a reservation.
Yes, I know.
alright, so this is going to be checking in today, so for one night only.
No booking code.
Alright,
Please proceed.
so just to confirm, this is for a deluxe room. Alright, so let me check here the room.
Hi, ma'am.
So we have,
Do you have any booking code or any
Alright.
But do you have any reservation, ma'am? Not yet? Okay, you will be walk-in. Can you please fill up this form first, ma'am?
Alright, so the total for that ma'am is for
You can stay
5,000
there, ma'am.
pesos. And how
Wait,
would you
here,
like to settle
beside.
it?
Okay. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. How may I help you?
Can you please fill out this form?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Do you have any reservation, ma'am?
Waiting ka rin.
Can you please fill up this form first, ma'am? Please fill open. Thank you. How would you like to settle your bill, ma'am? Cash. Please proceed to the cashier area, ma'am. Thank you. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. How may I help you? Do you have any
You
reservation, ma'am?
may sit in the lobby
Okay,
first and then just
Kindly fill up this form first, ma'am. Thank you. Where's the button?
open. Okay.
Hi, ma'am. How may I help you? Do you have any reservation, ma'am? Okay. Please fill up this form first, ma'am. Thank you.
To verify if
Yes.
what's in the what is my room that I
Oh,
have.
okay. Sorry, I'm sorry. Apple, please go. Reservation. What type of room? Under the name of
The booking code is 21.
21. Okay, we have here Erica Jones.
Erica
Erica
Jones.
Jones.
Room
So we have available for suite room 301.
301. 301, suite 2, suite 2. In one night, no? Here, ma'am. Please proceed to the cashier again. Thank you. I'm sorry for that.
How's my name? Check in ako na. Nani siya dito? Na siya deposit.
Okay.
Ina kita siya sorry. You're able to
Hi, ma'am. How may I help you? Yeah, you can proceed. Ay, okay.
It's okay. Yeah, sure. Just wait for your rotate.
Ate Palu. Hi, ma'am. Check in. Under, do you have any reservation, ma'am?
Okay, I'll have to
No.
know. Ano niya? Ano yung sinakyaw ba?
Ano na siya? Nakabay na.
Ang sa manika, ino nga manika ikot.
Oo, check in sila. Dahil siya room. Suite room.
Sweet roll.
Kindly please fill up this form first, ma'am. Thank you.
Ang sa mga paying? Okay.
Wait, saan siya room? Kasi po na
How much? Zero. Zero.